Hey, what's up everybody, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you the quick unboxing of DJI OSMO Action 4. So our package has arrived and let's get straight to the unboxing. So here is the DJI OSMO Action 4 Adventure Combo, which I bought from Amazon, and let's get straight to the unboxing right now. So as you can see, I have already removed the protective film, and now let's see what's inside the package. So we've got two boxes. One says accessories. Let's see what's inside the accessories box. Silicone gel. That's a USB-C adapter. That seems like a mini mount or something. Yeah, that's a mini mount. And then we've got, what else? I guess it's a battery pack. Yeah, that's the battery pack. Yeah, the battery needs to be recharged. Pretty nice battery pack. It looks nice actually. Okay. What else? I guess the user manual. Yeah. DJI store app. And these are all kind of user manual, which I guess won't read. Starter guide, and that's pretty much inside the box. And that's the, I guess, the extra lens cover, because the DJI OSMO Action 4 has a removable lens cover. So yeah, that's pretty much inside the box of the accessories. Now let's get straight to the OSMO Action 4 camera. Okay, alright, let's see. Okay, that's the protective frame, which helps to use the camera vertically as well. So I will definitely try that. So it comes with two screws and one adhesive mount, which you can definitely use for motorcycle helmets, or like, you know, kind of stuff like that, you know, for any kind of helmet. Yeah, that's a sticky mount. That's another mount as well. I haven't opened the screws yet, so I mean, I will show you the screws as well, how that looks like. That's the screw. So now it's the time for the big boy, you know, DJI OSMO Action 4 camera. Remove the camera before separating the quick release adapter mount from the accessory. Alright. So here's the camera. Beautiful. As you can see here. tighten the lens protector cover before taking in water. Okay, so let's remove the lens cover, so the protective film, and that's how the camera looks. Pretty decent, you know. So that's the USB-C charging port, and on the left side we have this I guess battery cover. Yeah, so that's the battery port, and here we have the SSD card slot. And last but not least, this DJI Action 1.5 extended rod, which really helps to make, you know, decent videos or vlogging or taking selfies, which can be used for multiple purposes, you know. So it's a 1.5 extended rod. It's a pretty solid piece of metal, you know, and it helps to stabilize the camera. So let's try to attach the camera. Okay, here we go. It's securely locked now. And one thing I would like to add about the DJI Action 4 camera, because once I was watching so many videos on YouTube, like I said before, and I was very confused about this thing, that how this magnetic lock works. So basically it's not just a magnetic thing, you know. I know it's magnetic, but apart from that, it's a very secure lock. And you see this thing here, you hear this click sound when you attach it to the camera. Look here. So you cannot remove it, nothing could happen. And that is the most important thing for me, because, you know, I thought maybe I'm vlogging or making a video, or my camera just you know, just fell down from the mount. That would be very disappointing, you know. So that's the thing. So that's pretty much about the unboxing. And if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Peace.